Good evening, my family and friends and loyal subscribers to Double AZ Slots. Hopefully, you're all getting ready for the Memorial weekend. Make sure you guys stay safe and enjoy with your family and friends also, as we are ourselves. So we're in front of Real Fever at High Winds Casino in Miami, Oklahoma. So we're starting off the weekend relaxing after a really rough week. So we got $40 in the $1 Denom, Real Fever. So we're gonna start it slow and see if Real Fever is nice to Double AZ Slots. So let's hit it big. Come on there, Real Fever. Be nice. Oh, come on now. Let's ring-a-ding-a-dingy on this machine. There we go. We got a red spin. Doubled on the line. We got 20 on that. We're lucky 7. It started off with the small diamond and ended up with the lucky 7. So that's pretty good. And that was only one credit. We could have had double. It would have been 60. But as you notice, look at the jackpots on this. Even with one credit, get them all on the line is 1,000 credits. So that's still pretty good. So let's go ahead and hit it big again. Oh, come on now. Oh, there's the other 7 right there. Come on now. There we go. Come on now. Yeah, we got 12 on the private stripes. Oh, come on. Seven sevens are coming out. Yeah, we got a small diamond on that one. Oh, there it goes again. 777. Oh, there we go. All the sevens don't look at that. Come together. Well, let's max out for the last three. Hopefully we can go ahead and get a big hit. Come on now. And last one. Well, I tell you what, I guess real fever got us again. So let y'all know, you guys, on this weekend, remember the sacrifices that veterans that took the utmost sacrifice. Remember those that are fallen warriors, and also remember the ones that are no longer with us. And hopefully, on that note, that y'all take care of yourself, take care of your family and your friends, enjoy, and remember those this past weekend, this coming weekend. And you guys take it easy, and keep in mind, for those that have yet to subscribe to AAZ Slots, we're getting close to that 500 subscriber celebration, so take care of yourselves and see you on the next one.